about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back.
Tunaenda road kila Sunday. Ukitaka kutupata unaenda TikTok.
Hapa leo tunaenda Narok, nimega road trip, line up ni gari 5. Kenya One ilikuwa hapo lakini Kenya One Kenya One Yaga ndio inachukua Kenya One.
High above Nairobi, the city stirs a living pulse of movement and colour. Down on Moi Avenue, a fleet of chrome and creativity waits matatus, reimagined as beasts of adventure. Each one forged in sound, light and pride, ready to roar beyond the city limits. This is our Kenyan culture, and we are proud of.
Oh yeah, what's up, Wadao?
Hello friends, my names are Urban Glide with my great team. Today, we are going to Narok, we do road trips, and we are here waiting. We call this place airport, and we are waiting for our ride to arrive.
Tuko airport, tunangoja at least gari zetu zikam.
Tunangoja
Flight. Tunangoja kutake off. Akienda Bondo, si tunaenda? Si tunaingia Narok. Yeah, so
Time to chat some song, them a fish out. They know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken.
Okay, hello, naitwa Rosa. Napenda matatu culture. Yeah, we are heading to Narok. Yeah, and I'm happy. Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Haley Joy. Napenda matatu culture. Naitwa Chebi, mimi wa Kayole na represent matatu culture. Pwani yangu ni hapa Baba Yaga, si tunaenda Kirinyaga, lakini tunaenda na X-rated na Zoza.
Girl, them there. We have to everyone locked in the party tonight. Turn it up louder, episode 30.
Aniache guys, Jabs of Nairobi hapa. Leo tunaenda Narok, nimega road trip. Line up ni gari 5. 1, 2, hizo zingine hazijafika. Lakini zikikam itakuwa mbaya, si ndio? Ama aje? Jina bigi. Siku zote. Vloggers Rosrowan. Gatero Fao.
ya kuua hii kila siku hapa hivi. Jabs of Nairobi, follow kila mahali, channel, YouTube, pale TikTok, Instagram, kila mahali, pale X. Follow Jabs of Nairobi, handles zetu ziko kila mahali. Follow. Leo tunalipisha 2500 per kwenda Narok. No, we see every Sunday tunaekanga na period of time. Tunaweza weka after 2 months ndio tuende tena. Tunapatia Tuna post kila mahali. Instagram kuna channel ya WhatsApp, kuna Instagram, kuna Facebook. Zote tuna post hizo tuna post kila kitu yenye tunataka mahali penye tunataka kuenda. Na msisahau kuvote for Blogger 001.
Kuna link ya Yonganya Awards. Code yangu ni 251701. One vote ni 10 bob. Category best blog of the year.
Matatu culture. Matatu culture. Kenya One ilikuwa hapo lakini Kenya One Kenya One Yaga ndio inachukua Kenya One.
Na gari ni moja Kenya One. Yaga ni moja.
Aya alafu mfollow Headboy Adventures, Headboy Fao, Headboy Adventures. Aya to vote code ni 252706. Headboy Adventures, Headboy Fao. For Headboy Adventures, we lead, they follow. Tulikuwa Narok last weekend. Ndo hao wote wanataka kuenda Narok sasa. Vuka mwaka ndo hiyo tunaenda Kisumu. On November 21st to 24th, Headboy Adventures tunaenda Mombasa. 11,500. If you want to join Headboy Adventures, we are on all social media. Follow.
What began as simple public transport has grown into something extraordinary. A culture, a lifestyle, a heartbeat that moves Kenya forward, one ride at a time. These matatus, or as we call them manyangas, are more than machines. They're rolling stories, blending art, sound and soul into the streets of our cities. Every engine rev, every artwork on the body, every light that flashes at night, speaks of creativity, pride and freedom. And now, they've gone beyond the city, turning ordinary journeys into unforgettable adventures. From Nairobi to Narok, from Embu to the far hills, this is Kenya on wheels. To the world watching, this is your invitation. When you visit Kenya, don't just see the wildlife or the beaches. Come ride with us, feel the rhythm, meet the people, and experience the only transport culture that celebrates life on the move. Because here, every road tells a story, and every story deserves to be told right. At Urban Peeps, we tell it with truth, passion, and pride. This is our way of life, our art, our energy, our voice to the world. If you've enjoyed this journey, leave a like, drop a comment, and join the family. Together, let's show the world what Kenya truly rides like. This is Urban Peeps, the home of real matatu culture.
Oh, hi guys. Mimi naitwa Biban. Na hii ni gari yetu iko hapa inaitangwa Mr. Hoyt, as you can see. Sisi tunaenda road kila Sunday. Ukitaka kutupata unaenda TikTok Mr. Hoyt, Instagram Mr. Hoyt, kila mahali Mr. Hoyt. Na hii ni ile inabamba. Kuna mziki, kuna ngoma. Kadere na yeye ni mwenyewe.
Na mafia ni kama pesa ngapi?
Afia si expensive. Unajua za umbili hizi nunua shamba. Unakuja tu unajibamba tu nayo. 18 seater, hii ni 18 seater, mnaweza tu book.